Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a fascinating story about a static web page that unexpectedly spawned a thriving community. It's a tale of serendipity, open source, and the growing interest in local-first software development. Get ready, it's a wild ride.
I'm all ears. A static web page starting a community? That sounds counterintuitive. What's the secret sauce?
The author, James Pierce, a former engineering director at Meta, found himself with a lot of downtime while sailing. He was working on Tiny Base, an open-source project for storing structured data in a browser. He noticed a growing buzz around local-first software, applications prioritizing offline functionality and user data control.
So local first is the key here. What exactly does that mean in practical terms? Isn't the cloud the standard now?
Exactly. Local first flips the script. It's about putting the data on the user's device, not relying solely on the cloud. Think offline access, improved performance, and greater control over your own information. It's a refreshing change from the cloud-centric approach.
I see. So James created a website, localfirstweb.dev, as a simple directory of local first projects. A pretty basic static page, right?
Yep, just a list of links, essentially. But it tapped into a latent demand. The concept resonated, and the site quickly gained traction. Retweets, likes, and even pull requests started pouring in within hours. It was completely unexpected.
Wow, that's incredible. So a simple static page became a catalyst. But how did it evolve into a full-fledged community?
That's where Jonathan comes in. He's a Harvard Business School graduate who discovered Tiny Base and James's work. He recognized the potential for a community around local-first development and, bam, created a Discord server.
And the rest, as they say, is history. A Discord server, meetups, a newsletter, the whole shebang. It's amazing how quickly it all took off.
Absolutely. It's a testament to the power of community and the growing interest in this alternative approach to software development. It's a really inspiring story, showing how a simple idea, executed well, can have a huge impact.
It's a great example of how a seemingly small action can have unexpectedly large consequences. It makes you wonder what other butterfly effects are waiting to happen on the web.
Precisely. And it highlights the importance of open-source projects and community building. The success of localfirstweb.dev wasn't just about the website itself, but about the people who embraced the idea and contributed to its growth. A truly inspiring story.
Definitely. It's a reminder that sometimes the simplest things can have the biggest impact. Thanks for sharing this fascinating story.
My pleasure. And to our listeners, thanks for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of local-first software and community building. Until next time, goodbye.
Bye-bye.